Why should you choose Himac attachments? Our attachments are manufactured with high-grade steel and are extensively field tested, designed to handle hard Aussie conditions without breaking a sweat. Why Himac? Over 80% of the attachments we sell are designed and manufactured right here in Australia. Our local, skilled production team are focused on making truly robust products. Why Himac? We will respond to your quote request within 8 working hours, so you spend less time waiting and more time being productive. Our lean manufacturing process means fast dispatch of attachments Australia-wide. Why Himac? We make it easy with a fully featured website so you can find the right tool for the job. Our friendly team provide expert advice, service and ongoing support after the sale. For attachments you can rely on, backed by a dedicated Australian team. Think Himac.